flies good though.
Yeah, I like it.
Take off flaps.
I can't just cut it out.
You can. It's just gonna tear it up when he does. All right, come on in. It's a glider.
Hey, do you mind if I watch you?
It's all right. Ah! All right, taxiing out. That new one they made? Take it off.
With landing, you have to land it differently.
Kind of the same as what you do with the what's the other one? The one you just like the Mirage, similar, but it's faster. All right, take it off.
You guys at the end of the runway.
Gear up, flaps up.
Bob and Mark.
They're doing something. Oh, they're looking at the turf.
Where is it?
Way the hell up there. Just took off.
I think it sounds good.
Okay, low pass from the left.
Can you do one from the right?
I don't want to do it with someone else flying. And those guys are at the end.
Alright.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
They're looking at the turf, I think.
Hey, do you mind if you could maybe break in my Admiral 4s?
Well, what are you doing?
I'm flying on the Mirage, but I don't want to break them down.
Well, what are they?
They're Admiral 4000
What?
60cc's. 60cc's, I think. I'm not sure.
What other planes do you have out? Do you have a Hawk?
No, I had the FlexJet, the F-5, the P-47.
You could do it in the Mirage, you just fly low throttle. I don't have anything I could break it in with. No. I did, but...
Dude, get out of the runway!
Yammer yammer.
They're tourists.
I thought they were tourists.
Me too.
Here's one of your batteries, Mike.
Huh? Oh, you're flying? Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Fast low pass from the left.
Hey, this is 5 minutes to do yourself.
Time remaining 43 seconds.
Taking off, or taxiing out.
Take it out landing, take it out landing.
Taking off. Oh, you can see it now. Oh, now. I think it was just maybe too hectic. What's up the burner?
He made his own.
Really?
Yeah.
Should have bought some purple LEDs, man.
Okay, landing.
3, 2, 1. Time expired. Landing.
Landing from the left.
Taking off.
You got a landing.
Doofball, what are you doing?
Flaps up.
I know. I did that the last time.
This thing just goes up and up and up and it
I
won't
know.
stop.
I love it.
Yeah.
My Monster 6S does it too.
I know, yeah. My 8S just doesn't.
Clear.
You have a different setup than Nate, right?
Yeah. It's an old setup, but it still works good. I have a new one I'm gonna try in it.
Low pass!
So you're liking that Phantom, huh?